I'm stupid? Yeah? Well, we do stupid things, girls, right? Thank you for this. Thank you so much. No, we do stupid things. Laura. Look, she's stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, we do, and she's American, so no, we do stupid things. No. Some girls, I'm sorry for the Americans who are here. Some girls stay with their boyfriend even when there's no sex anymore. Or when the headache is better than the sex. Yeah, stupid also, right? So anyway, I'm French, as you can hear with my accent, but for French people who really suck in English, well, in every other language but French, yeah, some people even suck in French, but that's another story. So for French people, I really speak like an American. Yeah, I know. Can somebody say yes?
Yes.
He wants to fuck me, yes! Look! He's free tonight. No, actually, it's because when I was living in DC for my master's degree. Yeah, I just wanted to say that I have a master's degree. Oh my gosh, she's hot